I have some very unruly tomato plants. I might have waited a little too long before getting my cages. I started to put them together inside because it's a really hot day out, but when I went to install them, it was really difficult to get around the plant. So what I discovered is it's best to build as you go and don't worry about making shapes. You could have a triangle, a square, but really they can all connect and you can just get as creative as these tomatoes have gotten creative. Once you have your stakes in the ground, you can just attach your sides wherever you want. They are adjustable. And there's the point, and that will go into the ground. There's many stakes that this comes with, and then there's connectors that connect. So it's so simple to put together. I wish I would have not hesitated and tackled this project right away. It was really simple. And then there's how it just snaps on there. And then it also comes with some of the twisty ties, which is nice to have as well. It is rust resistant, and I am definitely going to be using this again next year. I will disassemble this and keep it for next year. These are rust resistant and they have some flexibility to them, and I was able to use this one box for all of my plants. I've got probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 plants at least, and I just intertwined them and connected them. I have a triangle, I have a couple of squares, I have like an open square. So again, you don't have to worry about making shapes. Just make it, build it around your tomato plants, and you'll be good. I hope this was helpful, and you get your cages today and get them set up. This is the Green Mount watering wand. It comes in different colors. I chose the green one, and it's great for watering your garden, washing your car, washing your windows. Think of all the different things you could do. I love how I can just soak the base of my rose bushes without getting the leaves wet, and there's so many different uses for this. I like that I don't have to bend very far to use this. It really makes watering easy and enjoyable. The handle is a squeeze handle, but there's a little clip so you can clip it so that you don't have to always squeeze it, and it really helps to relax that grip when you have a lot of watering to do. Just twist at the top and that changes the setting, and I'll just run through these 8 settings here. You have lots of options there. And then I'll show you the little green knob there on the top of the handle there. You can turn that, and that will impact the amount of pressure that the water is. See how it comes out, the difference. You can go high or low on that. It makes for a great housewarming gift, a gift for yourself. It's a great addition to all of your watering needs. I think I might need one for my backyard as well. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to see all of the different settings that this watering wand has, and that you will consider getting it for all of your watering needs. The Green Mount watering wand.